Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we talk about making money online as a creative person, as an artist, as a designer. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Z rank. If you guys are not aware of the Z rank, I'm going to be talking about what exactly the Z rank is, how you can actually increase it, and I'm going to be taking the reference of the Zazzle article. And then also I'm going to be sharing my own real tips with you guys if you're really looking forward to increase your Zazzle rank or Z rank. So let's dive in. Before go park, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video in the future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. We upload 2 videos every single week. When we do so, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, we have a lot of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. You can grab the Zazzle workbook, the workbook that I've created for helping you guys getting started with the Zazzle, making money online. It's really created based on my own experience and knowledge so far that helped me to become Zazzle Pro seller. Now I have my 3 shops on the Zazzle, and all of those 3 shops have become Zazzle Pro sellers, and one of them reached to these Zazzle Prawns in this April itself. So everything that I'm sharing in my Zazzle workbook, it's entirely based on my experience and knowledge, starting from finding your right niche, product research, platform research, niche research, keyword research, getting clarity, understanding, then moving on to making the products, designing the products, then uploading the products, the collections, categories, sharing the products, analysis, report, everything is there in the Zazzle workbook. Make sure you grab that Zazzle workbook if you're really looking forward to make money with the Zazzle or you want to make more money. The link is in the description box below. With that being said, let's dive into today's video talking about how you can increase your Z rank, because I think few weeks back only I received a message from one of you, the viewer that watched my YouTube video. They were asking me how to increase a Z rank. Can you make a video on that? Now, when I was having a lot of the video requests, that video request went somewhat at the back because I was already having a lot of the video requests. So it was, I think, over a month or now when that particular person asked me to make that video. But here I am, and I'm going to be talking about what exactly the Z rank is. A big disclaimer, guys, everything that I'm going to be sharing in this video are based on my own experience and knowledge so far with the Zazzle. And of course, I'm going to be taking the Zazzle article as a reference in this video, but also I'm going to be sharing my own real tips that work for me. So please take my advice with a grain of salt, because for every single designer, the things may vary according to what they are doing with their shop and getting the results and all that. What exactly is Z rank? Z rank is the Zazzle that give you the rank when you open up your shop on Zazzle. You're gonna see the Z rank on the right hand side of your shop in your store. The higher the Z rank is, the better is the chances to get the more sales on Zazzle, okay? It gives you the number from 1 to 10, depending on how well your shop is performing, how well your shop is customized, optimized. Like, there are so many different factors, so many different variables that affect the Z rank. It's not just about uploading the new products or having the collections or categories or optimizing the shop. There are so many different variables, which I'm going to be covering in a second. There's an article. So what exactly is the Z rank and how it works? Z rank allows you to see at a glance how well your store and product are optimized for the Zazzle platform, which I already covered. It will going to give you from 1 to 10. Store is 100% completed. You're gonna get Z rank as 10. Okay. Now, we are committed to your success on Zazzle, and Z rank is all about providing you with more transparency into ways you can improve and grow your earnings. Basic type of the components which I'm gonna be covering here. The first is the stores. Create a rich and engaging experience for customers visiting your store. Like, you need to have your store very well optimized, your store bio, your logo, your cover banner, your own story, your tagline, everything needs to be customized well. You can also place the location of your store or location of where you live. The second one is the sales and the promotion. How well you're promoting your shop on social media, on the Pinterest. That is also the important factor. So getting the word out about your products and your store means getting more eyes on your designs and getting more sales. The last one is the quality, not the quantity. Now, people are focusing on that. I want to upload more products, thousands, if not more than that of the products I need to upload to increase my Z rank. But here is a thing that you need to have more quality rather than more quantity. Great products publish unique, well thought out designs and relevant products that best showcase your skills as a creator. Unique content, so your content needs to be unique. Your title, tag, description needs to be relevant to your design, needs to be engaging, and they needs to be optimized according to your design. You can update your title, tag, and description from time on time. Okay, for example, if you're making a design in 2021 and now it's a 2022, so you can optimize your title tag description according to it. You could get the point, guys. There are so many different factors that affect the Z rank. It's not just about uploading more products, or it's not just about customizing your store. How many reviews you're getting for your product, okay? Whether your products are updated on time or not, whether your people are engaging with your content or not, that is your store or not, whether you're promoting your shop or not. Then there are some important notes which you need to take into consideration regarding the Z rank, which is there on the Zazzle article. I'm going to leave this article in the description box below. Make sure to check it out if you want to. It's not currently factored into marketplace search results, but will be there in the future. Z rank is calculated per store, per creator as a standalone metric and does not factor in other creators or their store. So only you know your store's Z rank. Rank is not a measurement of how much revenue you make, nor it's an indicator of how much revenue you will make in the future. So this is the very important thing, guys. I want to cover over here that if you are looking forward to increase your Z rank, to increase your sales, obviously you can go with increasing your Z rank and increasing your sales, but you're thinking that your Z rank is lower, and you thinking that, oh, my Z rank is lower and I have to increase that. If it's not increased, then I won't be able to make more money. Then this statement comes over here. Z rank doesn't correlate with the revenue, with the sales that you're making on the Zazzle, okay? So your rank will continue to evolve over time, and specific factors used to calculate your score may change at any time. Obviously, the things will going to update with time. More products, more new things, more new technologies, more things will going to keep on updating with the time, but it's not related to your revenue. It's not related to how much revenue or money you're gonna make. But if you're thinking, okay, Z rank is not related to my revenue, okay, whether my Z rank is lower and high, it doesn't correlate with the revenue or the sales that I'm gonna make from my shop, then why the Z rank does really matter? Is that the question you're asking yourself? Then here I am going to give the answer for this question. There are a few added benefits for your store on Zazzle. Your store will appear and have preference as suggested search result when searching. So when customers are looking for the products related to your design, your store will going to be pop up if your store has high Z rank. Your store will appear and have preference in the creator store search filter, the links which appear in the left-hand navigation bar for narrowing results in marketplace search. So your store must have a Z rank of 4 or above to have these features enabled. Why Z rank really matters is that when the customer is looking for your product, your store will going to appear and suggest as a search results when searching. So that's a great benefit, okay? The second thing is your store will appear and have preference in the creator store search filter. So there is a search filter about the creators. The customer can look according to the creator and your store will going to pop up because you have a high Z rank. So how much your Z rank needs to be there for these two qualifications? Have at least Z rank of 4 or higher to have these features enabled for your store. Related to the article that's there on the Zazzle, I'm sharing some tips with you guys, and I'm going to be really real with you guys and talk about that. Is it really important for you to increase your Z rank and how you can do that? The first thing first, guys, yes, it's really important, and no, it's not that really important. It's important because you have the facility to get your store suggested when customer is looking for, and also in the creator tab, when people are actually using the search filter as creator tab, your store will going to pop up. And for that, you need to have a Z rank as 4 or higher than that. That's it. You don't need to have 10 out of 10 Z rank to be there for these features to be enabled. So it's important for that, but it's not that as important as you think to have more money. Like if you're looking forward to really make more money from your shop, then that doesn't mean you always need to work on your Z rank, because Zazzle already stating over here that Z rank is not correlated with the revenue or with the sales that you're gonna make or you are making from your shop, okay? That doesn't mean that the designer who is making thousands of dollars on a Zazzle would be having 10 out of 10 Z rank. That doesn't really correlate with that. So that is the fourth thing, that it's important. It's not that important, okay? The second tip that I have for you guys, when you're opening up a shop on a Zazzle and you're gonna see your Z rank in the right hand side bar of your store, you're gonna see that Z rank, okay? And Zazzle will going to tell you the tips on how you can increase your Z rank. If you haven't uploaded any single design, the Zazzle will going to tell you to upload designs, 20 designs, make the collections, 20 collections, make the categories, then promote your shop, promote your products, promote your collections. So these are the few initial tips that you can do towards to increase your Z rank. And then you can actually update your shop logo, banner, story, tagline, location, and all those stuffs you can do for increasing your Z rank. Honestly, guys, I have practically done all these things and it really helped me increase my Z rank. Okay, in the beginning, if you're completely new to on Zazzle, you have to do these steps to increase your Z rank. The third tip I have for you guys, don't focus too much on the Z rank. Yes, because there is also written one thing over here about the sales and promotion. They are not just talking about promoting on social media. They're also suggesting you to open up your own website or a blog where you're sharing your Zazzle products. Now, it is an amazing way to bring the more sales, to bring the more eyeballs. And since the blog articles are more everlasting, Google search content is more everlasting. But it's not that easy to rank your blog articles currently on Google because there are so many different blog articles. There are so many different blogs written each and every single day on Google. So it's not that easy. So you need to do all those stuff to increase your Z rank 10 out of 10. Okay, you have to do those fancy stuffs. You have to have those websites and all those kind of stuff. So I'm telling you, it's not that as important as you think to do that. Currently, I don't have a website, guys. I'm not sharing my Zazzle products on my website or my blog article. I do share them on my Pinterest page, but I don't share them on the website. So I don't have the 10 out of 10 Z rank. To be frank, I don't have one. I have sometimes in few stores I have 6, in few other stores I have 4 or 5, in other I have 8 or 9, but I don't have 10 out of 10 of Z rank. So you don't need to completely focus on a Z rank to increase your sales. So that's the tip that I have for you. You don't need to increase your Z rank to make more sales. Now this might seem counterintuitive because I've already been talking about how to increase your Z rank and you would be thinking, why the heck I'm giving you this particular tip? Allow me to explain. One of my shop is making $1,000 each month on Zazzle starting from the March of 2022. Okay, I'm gonna leave the screenshot here of my revenue of that particular shop, and that shop is making thousands of dollars because one of the product, in fact few of the products went viral on that particular shop. Okay, and in that shop I have Z rank of 5. Literally I have the Z rank of 5. That's it, and I'm making $1,000 each month from that particular shop itself. Of course, there are so many designers who are making 5,000, 10,000 each month from their Zazzle shop. Of course, there are so many designers who are doing that, but it's directly telling you that you don't need to have 10 out of 10 Z rank to make more money on the Zazzle. Last tip that I have for you, if you are really looking forward to increase your Z rank, then I have few tips for you. The first and the second tip I already talked about, that when you are a new store, then you can very well increase your Z rank by actually uploading more products, making the collections and categories, sharing your collections, sharing your products, and you can do all that good stuff when you are completely newbie. But if you're really looking forward to increase your Z rank furthermore, okay, then I have the few tips for you. Update your products time on time, okay? This is really important because Zazzle looked at whether you're updating your old products or not. The second thing is try to get more reviews for your products. Now, how are you going to get the reviews? I too have got the reviews for my products. How are you going to get that? You need to get multiple sales for one of your product to get the good reviews for that product. How are you going to get that? You can update your product time on time. You can target the right kind of niches for people that are actually looking for, and optimizing your product according to it. Make it as a template-based product, not just as a design-based product. Allow the people to actually edit your products, add their name, title, tag, and description so that they can use it as its template, and then they can actually purchase it. The better and the easier they are actually able to edit your product, the more sales you're gonna make, and the more sales you're gonna make, the more likely chances to get the more reviews. Another tip with this regarding Z rank is to upload more new products. Okay, look at the trends, what's trending right now. Now I'm not telling you to target the Christmas niches or Halloween niches or trending niches like that. No, currently you're gonna see sparkle effects are so popular on Zazzle. You're gonna see so many people are actually uploading the products with the sparkle, with the glitter, and there are so many different combinations of the glitter or the sparkle are there. So you can very well have your entire shop or entire niche focusing on the sparkle, and you can actually bring two niches together to create new niches that could be trending. In the editor choice, how are you gonna do that? You have to have your product very unique. If you're seeing someone else is doing the product and if you are trying to replicate that product in a similar way, obviously you can't replicate it, but still if you're not bringing something unique onto the table, you're not able to increase your Z rank. So how are you gonna bring the new content unique to the table? How are you gonna do that? The best way that you could do is to bridge the gap between the two niches, which I tend to do most of the times, guys. I see what are the niches that are trending, what are the niches people are looking for, and then I try to bridge the gap between them. One example I'm gonna give over here, if you're really looking to bridge the gap between them. You're gonna see the sparkle or the glitter designs are so famous on the business cards, the cards in general, the greeting cards, the invitations, they are so popular. Why not actually bring these sparkle glitter designs to the different products, to the home decor products, to the wedding products like the bridesmaid gifts or the groomsmen gifts? Not. Maybe you have it on a cornhole set. Why you're just focusing only on the business card or the greeting cards or the invitation? So this is the one way in which you can bridge the gap. You're seeing that you're getting the sales for the home decor products, for example, a wall art, okay? And you see the sparkle niche is very popular, the glitter niche is very popular, and you see very less people are having the glitter or sparkle on the wall art or the metal art or the acrylic art. Then you can bridge both gap together and you can bring the glitter or sparkle to the wall art. This is just an example, guys. You can do a lot many different ways in which you see the barcode, the QR code. The QR code scan nowadays is so popular. It's trending right now. It's trending in the logo niches. So why not you can bring these QR code into the wedding niche, into the baby shower niche, into the birthday niches. Like I have seen a few of the designs that are popular right now in the Zazzle is the bachelor party QR code. Like people can actually scan the QR code for the bridesmaids or the wedding niche. You can bring that QR code to the birthday niche, like you are having a birthday invitation, then you can place the QR code over there and ask the people, they can scan that QR code and then they can wherever visit the website of the birthday people, the birthday girl, the birthday boy. These are the two ideas that I gave you how you can bridge the gap between and you can make unique designs out of it. Now there are so many different ways. Sky is the limit, guys. So these are some real tips in which you can increase your Z rank. And also I'm telling you guys, don't solely rely on increasing on the Z rank for the sake of making more money. Really correlate to how much revenue or how much sales you're making or how much sales you're gonna make from your shop. So hopefully this video has cleared your doubts about what exactly the Z rank is, how you're gonna increase it, do you really want to increase it? And I'm also sharing some real tips with you guys. Hopefully you find it useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. What is your own Zazzle Z rank? I would really love to hear from you. And what are the things that you're doing to increase your Z rank? I would be really interested in hearing from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I'll gonna see you in the next week's video. Till then, take care. Bye, guys.